One day, your children, your family, or even your future self will ask you a simple question. What did you do with the time you were given? Many people want wealth, but only few are willing to endure the pain that's associated with them. The truth is that every successful person has gone through difficult seasons. Seasons of rejection, seasons of sacrifice, seasons when no one believed in them. While others were sleeping, they kept learning. While others were complaining, they kept building. Time is one thing we all receive equally. Young or old, rich or poor, 24 hours each day. Your family doesn't deserve excuses. They deserve your growth. They deserve your efforts. They deserve your better person. The pain of discipline is only for a moment. But the pain of regret is for a lifetime. Don't waste today's opportunities. Build the skills. Build the habits. Build the wealth. Because every step you take today is a better tomorrow for the people you love. Remember, time is a gift. Pain is a teacher. Family is a blessing. Wealth is built one decision at a time. Join WealthBridge Academy. In wealth building, in strengthening families, and in leaving a legacy. Thank you.